list of our principles, unedited, unauthorized, in the rough. 1. All beings are driven by their values, but all beings create their values in the core of their existence. 2. The core of any being is its value standard. By this standard, it keeps itself in being. This, self-valuing, is the core value which all its other values reflect. 3. A life lived according to one's deepest and highest values is a life of the greatest happiness. 4. Power is the ability to set values and attain them. 5. Power is there for the taking, for everyone. It will always resist being contained. 6. Ideologies are systems of preset human value. To subscribe to them is to submit to another's power. 7. The use of any ideology is whatever it accomplishes. There is no unquestionable truth or value to any ideology. 8. Hope is destroyed when the ability to set values is lost. When all values have been predetermined by the outside world, the individual is gone. 9. Society is its own reward. Society is the interactions of different self-valuings, a rich tapestry of comparable and contrasting values. 10. Life has no other purpose than to set values and to attain them. All meaning, love, loyalty, goals. 11. Humans can introduce each other to values. They cannot set them for each other. We use a value ontology to not have a predefined world when we engage it. Open world philosophy is facilitated by open source technology and intelligence.